How to manually install software update on the Apple Watch 9. First, let's go back to the home screen by pressing on the crown button. Go back to the watch face, Then from the watch face, press on the crown button again to go into the app screen. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then swipe down and tap on general. Next, tap on software update. Now scroll down and then tap on the install button. So if there are newer update, then the install button will be available. You can tap on that. And here it will verify before going ahead with the update. You know, it is saying verifying. In here, you should see the Apple logo reboot and the update will now begin. And that's it. So that is how you can manually install the update on your Apple Watch 9. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.